Hi everyone, this is Annindita Palaus, and today's video is about how you can make your own energized water. And of course, one of the ways is you can always use Reiki on your water, on your drinking water, and then use that water for whatever purpose that you want to use it for. You could use it as your bath water, you could use it for drinking, making coffee or tea, or for cooking, or for watering your garden or your plants, or giving that water to your pets. That is one of the very easy way of energizing your whole house with Reiki energy. Another very effective way of using water to purify and cleanse your body as well as your environment is solarized water. And it is pretty simple, and I came across this many years ago when I read the book called Zero Limits by Dr. Joe Vitale and Dr. Hugh Lin. And it was about this ancient Hawaiian prayer technique called oponopono. And that is the book where I came across the technique of making blue solarized water. And for that, you need blue glass water container. And today I have here one blue glass. And I looked on Amazon for quite a bit. I couldn't find any real blue glass. So this is actually painted outside, which is fine. I figured even if it starts chipping off after some time, I can always maybe buy some blue glass paint and fix it. I'm not too sure about that though, because I'm not really a very crafty or handy person, but I'm hoping my husband is really good with DIY things, so maybe he'll be able to fix it. So all you need to do is just fill up these glass bottles and put it in the sun for an hour or two. And you don't really need to keep it for any longer than that. If you keep it longer, it doesn't mean that it will be more energized. And one of the things I was wondering that why is blue glass specifically used? The book does not really mention that. Probably the blue glass signifies, the blue color signifies the throat chakra or the Vishuddhi. And the Vishuddhi is known to be like a filter. That chakra is supposed to act like a filter that purifies or cleans all impurities and keeps poisons away or toxins away. Of course, that doesn't mean literally taking poison through food. But of course, we are consuming a lot of poisonous things through our food these days, especially because there are so much chemicals that goes into our food and into our water. But poison could also be in the form of a negative thought or a negative memory or a negative emotion. And when your throat chakra or your Vishuddhi is activated, then that filters out anything negative or poisonous in nature, toxic in nature, and it doesn't let it enter the other chakras. So it totally makes sense to use blue glass for making energized water. And of course, energy of the sun is what energizes this entire planet. Even crystals are energized with solar energy often. So like I showed you, it's pretty simple. Just take a blue glass water bottle, fill it up with drinking water and keep it out in the sun. And then you could be using this water to cook, for drinking, for making your morning tea or coffee, whatever. You could even sprinkle around this water around your house for energizing, cleansing, removing any negative memories or energies from any area in your house. And one additional thing that I love to do is, I don't know if it will be visible, but if you can see, I like to write high vibrational emotions like joy or love, peace, harmony, appreciation, gratitude on my water bottles. So one I have with joy, and then I have another one where I wrote love. And I just like to do this extra thing. This I picked up from Dr. Emoto's water experiment, where he experimented with how water contains memory. Water has the ability to hold on to the energetic imprints of whatever it is that it has been imprinted with. And in fact, it's a very interesting book that Dr. Emoto published called The Hidden Messages in Water. And it shows how when you take a water sample and you energize it with the word love or appreciation or gratitude or joy, then the water crystals have a very different pattern compared to when you take a water sample and you write some negative words on it like hatred or anger or rage. So water literally has memory, and it has the ability to hold on to that memory energetically. It literally changes the composition, the molecular structure of water gets changed. Chemically, there is no change. It is still H2O, but the molecular composition changes in such a manner that it has the ability to affect your body. Because of course, our bodies are primarily water. Even the food that we eat is primarily water. So I hope you liked that video. That was just a very short, quick little tip to use energized water in your daily life to cleanse and revitalize your system and to enhance your vibratory frequency or your life force energy or your prana. If you liked it, then like it, share it, and leave your comments below, and subscribe to my channel if you love watching these videos. Bye for now.